Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, ladies and gents. How is everyone? Hope everyone is good. 15 minutes until market open. I have a small long trade open right now, simply from the previous week point of control. So I am long on this market for a quick scalpy trade open until this point of control here. Let me just take that away. So here are the levels today, guys. So yesterday was a very weird day. Okay, mostly just selling until we hit pretty much where we are right now. That was yesterday, previous week point of control, and that's when we got the bigger bounce. We anticipated a long from here. That's where I longed yesterday. I took you up to here when I was saying 725. I should have probably, looking back, taken my profits. I was like 42 points up. Came back break even. I longed again. Came back. Came back. Excuse me. Came back and for maybe about 10 12 points. And that was it. That was the only opportunity until we got here, and at that point I wasn't in the market. I wasn't trading this. I don't really naked weekly point of controls is decent though, but you can see how well these levels are respected. So bounced straight off the naked weekly point of control, bounced, where did we go? Right up to the previous week LVN, rejected again, came back, hovered around the point of control. Look where we rejected the 720s again, 720s previous week widely area high, and now we are on our way down. Okay, I am expecting a little pop here, because if this level is lost, we kind of don't have any levels here today. ES doesn't have anything until this gamma level. SPY also doesn't have anything until 680. QQQ also 619 620s, and SPX also has a big gamma level, 6800 on the SPX is key level. So that's your A plus, that's your A plus. But I'm playing for a small bounce. I'm thinking the market might pop at the open and then start selling off. Your A plus pivot is down here. These are the Thursday lows on the NQ. I'm expecting the draw on liquidity to be underneath that, and that's where your A plus pivots are as well. So we'll stay patient. Hopefully we'll get these setups today, and SPX is probably going to be around here or here when that happens. Also, you know, QQQ, same pivots there. SPY, same pivots. So really nice if we can get a move down today at some point. But I think Jolt's data comes out at 10. So I think that's going to be a key piece of data. Although the Fed rate cut's pretty much priced in, so I don't know if that's going to really move the market or not. But the plan is simple. These levels are massive. These levels are brilliant. They have been corresponding so beautifully in here. But if we could get a nice bounce today, that would be really nice. If I was trading a personal live account, I would also be looking for this level to hold. If I was going to swing trade this, I would hold a longer term day trade, swing trade from this level as well. I think that's a really good level to trade from. So that's what I'm thinking, keeping it pretty simple. We've got 10 minutes to open. Let's open. Let's see what happens. I am long on the market right now, but we shall see. We could just rally from here, who knows? what the market wants to do. But if the market wants to fall there, we have levels that we can trade from. So that's the idea. But for me, that doesn't seem like it's going to be the low of the day. I do expect further downside. This is the previous day low here. Expect that fully taken, and then we can start trading down. That'll be really nice if we get that move today. Let's just turn this off so nobody hears any annoying sounds. I hope volume is okay. Snap. You're in here. Let me know if the voice is okay. Do a little poll for you guys. So, how many are you bullish? How many are you bearish? Let me know. All right. What's up, K-Dog? How's it going, bro? Yeah, it feels bearish, yeah. It does. For one, it was a sick result, mate. Yeah, really good. Really, really good. It was worth me staying up for that. Although I had to get up at 7, I still stayed up and watched the game. Game finished at like 2 a.m. Let's see what happens here. Short's trying to get aggressive again. Let me just turn on. Hi, Bathower. How are you? Hope your trading is good. Hope everyone was doing really well on this Tuesday. Doing really well. Hopefully we can get some good trades today and cut some good pivots. I'm just expecting a bounce here before we take these, ultimately take these lows. Expecting another bounce. I'll see if we get it. We're down 10 points at the minute. If it goes under the lows, takes the lows, then yeah, I'll stop out. Thanks, Bahar. Hope glad you're enjoying the analysis. Sweeping and making new lows here. Again, Q. Hopefully I can get my bounce, start with a W, then I can, you know, really hit it hard. If we get some more pivots. Couple of minutes to open. Market's trying to fight here. You can see that. Market is trying to fight. Market does not want to make it too easy. Market usually doesn't in a low VIX environment. Usually supports. VIX is starting to trend higher. Still under the midpoint, so we are still all right. We are still all right. We're way above 0 gamma, but we don't want to see SPX lose 0 gamma. All right, this is the key level here on SPX. Lose this, and yeah, it's not going to be a good thing. So let's see. Hopefully, it doesn't go that deep. Hope you guys are trading. Hope you guys are staying safe out there. $660. Let me just put on an anchored. Where's the anchored here? Yeah. 647. The actual VWAP is 667. So there's a possibility for 667 here. I may take it off at the anchored. Let me see what we get at the open here. One minute. So open. We're open. And there's the rally. Market trying to sell now. Let's see if we can get a bigger bounce. Doesn't look like it. Let's see. Hopefully it holds. Pretty nasty selling. I hit the anchored VWAP right to the nose. Probably should have taken it off again. Yeah, that's pretty bad risk management from me. I probably should have taken the trade off there. That's two times in a row that's happened to me now, where I haven't taken profits and it's come back and it's come back and hurt me. Yeah. Let's stick with it. Taking previous day lows. Let me stick with this. This could be the inducement, just to take some liquidity under the previous day lows and then go again. So I'll keep the trade on for now. ES is really strong, so it's a tech sell-off. Hopefully get a bigger bounce here. Doesn't look too crazy on the selling. Once the bounce comes, it should be pretty nice. I do expect a bounce here. Not looking amazing, but still expecting a bounce here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, bulls. Let's go. Let's get some bulls in here. Let's go. Let's get some bullishness. Let's get the bulls back in town. Let's go. Let's go. Give me that bounce. Give me that bounce, market. Give me that bounce. Don't sell off. Don't sell off, market. Give us that bounce. Give us that big bounce that you know you want to give. You know you want to give a big bounce. You definitely want to give one. That's for sure. Market wants to bounce here, guys. Market wants to bounce here. Bulls are really coming in on the tape. Really aggressive bulls coming in on the tape. Really aggressive bulls coming in on the tape. There is more liquidity to the upside for the bulls to go and grab. There is more liquidity to the upside. It just makes more sense for the market to start trading higher now. Let's go, bulls. I did a couple more. Expecting a big bounce here. Really nice bounce so far. Let's go. You know the liquidity is to the upside. The liquidity is to the upside. Come on, market, give us some points. Get up to the VWAP at least. So goddamn weak today. Even yesterday was so damn weak. I think the bulls forgot to turn up into the office. Snagging here again. It's really snagging. It's choppy, really choppy open. But the bulls really want to support this level. They really want to support here. I can see that from the orders. I can see that from the tape. I am not afraid of this trade. I am not afraid of this trade. That's why I added a couple more contracts. I'm expecting a move to the VWAP. Maybe a little bit higher. Yeah, really nice. Keep going, market. Keep going. Keep going, bulls. You're stepping in now. You're crushing the shorts. Shorts are getting crushed. Keep going now. Don't come back. Don't come back. Don't do us dirty. You've been doing us dirty for the last. Yesterday you did us dirty. I think he's gonna do us dirty again, huh? There's a lot of orders above the VWAP. I think that's where it's gonna go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get it pushing. Push it. Push. That's better. Push it. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. VWAP. A spike above. Just spike above. Just a bit. Just a bit. Take those orders. Take those orders. Looking good. Looking amazing. Looking super nice. Bulls are looking super nice here. Super nice. Keep pushing, bulls. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Let's go. All right, I'm going to take you off there. Really nice, really nice, really nice. All right. Was not scared of that trade at all. Could see it on the tape. Bulls are coming in. ES is strong. ES is carrying NQ. Jolts in 20 minutes, so we will stay away from the market. If ES gets above here, we target previous day highs. Let's see what happens. But yeah, rejection off the VWAP, so good call. I was looking for the liquidity above the VWAP. Just a little spike up above VWAP to take the orders, come back down, and that's what they were doing. So a lot of stop losses were there, a lot of new limit shorts were there, trying to get in short, and that was a perfect place for us to take profits. I mean, if you're trading without this kind of stuff, you're basically trading naked. You can't see anything. Pretty crazy. Anyways, I digress. All right, long way to go. Long way to go. Long way to go. But now we wait for our pivot down here. If we get it, I'm gonna try and smash it again on the same account. We made 500 on that. Push play with. Maybe I make 600 on. Close. I'll go passing the account. So very nice. All right. Let's stick this on. Yeah, very heavy area. Previous day point of control as well. SPY really bull. Let's get this VIX coming down. Yeah, we got a similar thing yesterday too. Now we got that spike, got us all excited, and then dumped for the rest of the day. Hopefully it comes down, doesn't start dumping for the rest of the day. Hopefully we come down here and then we get a nice V shape back up for the rest of the day. Alright, K-Dog. Hopefully everything's okay with you. If you're back and I'm streaming, jump on. Right now we are waiting for the jolts. 15 minutes. $15 minutes, 7.2 million job openings. Job quits rate. A lot of shorts are coming in. So far they're getting absorbed. You see this here. You can see a lot of shorts have come in. You can see that on the CBD. Although the CBD has made a lower low, the price has not. That means all this delta, this heavy shorting delta, is getting absorbed by limit longs, and now look, they're squeezing them. This is called CBD divergence, bullish CBD divergence between price and on the delta. And now you can see they're getting smashed. They're squeezing the shorts. Yes, looking really bullish. SPX looks like it might just trade higher. May not give us those pivots. It may not, guys. It may not. It may not give us that pivot. Now this is going to be a key area for NQ to clear. Clear that, and then maybe the coast is clear. if it clears this, maybe the low is in. I don't know, maybe, but definitely the probability of the low being in for the day and we trade higher greatly improves if you get past this. And definitely improves a lot more if we get past 720s. The 720s has been very sticky. Yeah, indecisive open. The first 30-minute candle opened red, turned green, and now it's turning red again. The order flow idea here is, even though there is bullish divergence, really good for scalping, not really that applicable for my style until my pivots are hit. Then obviously it's extra confirmation. It's nice if it's there. But this kind of thing is really good for scalpers, like the bullish and bearish CVD divergences. But it doesn't mean you're going to get a monster just because we have bullish CVD divergence. Okay, that's important. Even right now we've got bullish CVD divergence. That doesn't mean we're going to get a monster to the upside. Okay, because what you have to understand is, even though a lot of limited longs are absorbing these shorts, they can only hold price for so long. If you're smashing it, you know, you're smashing the wall down over and over and over again, only for so long it's gonna hold up before you crack through it, right? So that's the idea. So they need help from the aggressors. So they're the passive. The passive buyers are doing their job. They're absorbing all this sell pressure, but then you need the aggressive buyers to step in and, you know, ultimately push price higher, because they can only do so much absorbing. But if the market buyers step in, they'll do it. And you've got now a nice ingredients for a short squeeze to the upside. They are waiting for news. Yeah, they're waiting for news. They are waiting for news. Market, because I mean, it might. Job openings is important metric. But I don't think it has any relevance on the Fed cut tomorrow, so I'm not sure how much it's going to move the market. I'm not sure, but let's see. It should provide some volume. Longs are coming in now. The aggressive longs are stepping in, so you have potential for a short squeeze to the upside, but they're not really that aggressive yet. The longs, the market longs are not really that aggressive. So do they have real intention of moving this market higher is the question, and it's indecisive at the moment. And these passive limit buy orders, they can only absorb price for so long before that wall drops and the price just falls through. Very indecisive open, very indecisive open. The 30-minute is switching from green to red over and over again. But ES looks bullish. ES is carrying NQ right now. ES is looking like a monster right now. And look at SPX. SPY is really, really bullish. ES is monster. ES is a real monster today. Take a look. Yeah, some tech is red, but majority of the S&P 500 is the other sectors are doing really well. Tech is lagging today. That's why the NQ is just moving down. Five minutes now until news. VIX is trading down. Bitcoin times. Gonna stay with it. It's flat Bitcoin, really flat. Bitcoin may sweep one more time before getting a bigger bump. Yes, the monster. I think I messed with the wires yesterday and I pulled one of the wires out. Yeah, is that better? Okay. Cool. But I might have to replace the wire on this. I accidentally pulled it and it snapped, so it's hanging in there. Four minutes until news. Nasdaq is weak. Order flow is looking okay. We still have the bullish CVD divergence. There is a possibility to trap all these shorts. You can see that here. Look at all these shorts in here, right? All this negative delta on the CVD. there's a potential to really trap them, short squeeze them. Well, they're pulling liquidity out of the order book now. They're pulling liquidity out of the order book right before the news. You got a massive buy order here, 850 contract buy order. I don't know if they're gonna really want to trade. That's a really big buy order though, 850 contracts. Well, we don't know if that's real intention. Got 3 minutes until news. Well, really choppy. 30 minutes is going red, then going back to green, then red again. Can't make up its mind at the moment. It's just, you know, it's consolidating for a big move now. For news, somebody's gonna get hurt in here when this news drops. With that. I don't know how Jolt's gonna come in, so I'm not really betting on anything here. Prior was 7.227, so a lower forecast, a little bit of a lower forecast this time. One minute of news. ES looking really strong. Really strong. Are we gonna get a pop on the NQ? Bulls are starting to come in. There's a potential for a short squeeze here to the upside. There's real potential for some upside sweep. I'm gonna mess about with sim. Mess about on sim long. Just to stop myself from feeling any kind of FOMO or anything. I am on sim. How did the news come in? Where's the number? Where's the number? Let me check on the other. Take a look. Not released yet. Data, has it been released? Oh, it has. Job openings. Oh, really strong number. 7.65 as forecast 7.2. So really good number on the jobs. 3.1 job quits. Okay, so job openings, decent number on the job openings. So that's good. Jobless claims also came in down. Bitcoin spiking on that news. Seems to like it. And Q still lagging a bit. I've got a sim trade long. Yeah, there's a potential for a short squeeze here. Let's see what ES is doing. Yeah, ES kind of wants higher. There's definitely potential for a short squeeze here, guys. Oof. Wow. Oof. That is crazy. Wow. 685, this thing is going. It's a rocket ship. Sim account's happy. Set them up really nicely. Didn't it for that news? Set the bears up real nicely. So those guys, those long traders that were absorbing all those shorts, now they're getting rewarded. They held price from going any lower. Now they're parting. Yes, it's made a double top or triple top, if that's a thing. I expect that to blow through. NQ just wants to sell off today, by the looks of it. NQ really wants to sell. So that news candle is getting completely retraced here. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Market looking heavy, wants to sell. Really heavy selling coming in. Oof. What a nasty candle. Oof, that was nasty. Yeah, still holding. ES is gonna sweep though. It'll be very unusual if ES doesn't sweep these highs. The daily high. That'll be really unusual. I expect ES to sweep. heavy shorts, but shorts are not following through. So look, seems more like a liquidation candle, just to take stops and run it back. NQ has a catch-up trade to ES. Catch-up trade will be all the way to 710 on NQ. I'll be really surprised if ES just starts coming back down, to be honest, and doesn't sweep. That would be very unusual. But we have seen stranger things before. Yes, shouldn't go too much lower from here. Expecting it to bounce from this node and then trade higher, maybe then go back down. Let's see what happens here. Shorts are trying to get really aggressive here. So they could get short squeezed here again. That's the highest likelihood, in my opinion, as ES to hold this and then start going and sweeping. That's what it's trying to do here. There she goes. There's a really poor high. Just gonna go after it. Let's see where the STPO is. Really poor high. On TPO, it's going to go and repair those highs. Damn, a lot of shorts came in on NQ, just got completely absorbed. Look at this. Look at that. Look at the amount of shorting in here. In here. All that negative delta again, completely absorbed. Really nice. We definitely want to push this market higher. VIX stabilizing. And gets through that the VWAP, I think is gonna start squeezing those shorts really aggressively. Let's take a look at it, keep an eye on it. Let's see if we can get above it. The big liquidity is still sitting here, right at 708. Yeah, they're smoothing shorts, yeah. You can see it, they're pulling. Wow, the big long orders just got put into the book. Yeah, there you go. It's past the VWAP now. Short squeeze activated. Yeah, they really want to get in here. Those big orders. Traded. Those are real orders. People wanting to fill. They really wanted to fill. They got filled. There's just too many shorts gathered around this VWAP area, asking for trouble. I'll be surprised if the market lets them get away with this. Shorts are starting to taper now as well. Yes, it's still a little bit weak, which is strange to see. Bit strange, this price action today again. I would be surprised if they let these shorts off the hook. Probably bring it down a little bit, sweep these lows down here, then take it higher. Get them all excited. There's a battle at the VWAP. To me, it looks like it's more likely going to break to the upside. There's too much shorting at the VWAP, asking to get short squeezed. really. Asking, look, all these orders are stacked above. It's probably likely where the market is going to head. Squeeze all these guys out, take the orders here, maybe then drop. Yes, could probably sweep then. Globals, squeeze these shorts. Yeah, it's getting bull again. Short's starting to pile in again. Nothing too crazy though. A really choppy price action. No clean move. Some big longs getting filled on the tape there. Is it going to grind slowly to the downside? Or are we going to squeeze this higher? Go up and collect some orders, NQ. Just go up and collect some orders. Squeeze these bears. Gotta move above these highs. Makes sense. How's the chat doing? Anybody in the chat trading? ES. Holding the same level, unable to get any sort of momentum to the upside. Puts in a triple high and comes back down. That's crazy. How crazy is that? Really crazy. Hope you guys are staying away from this. This is just a joke. This price action is an absolute joke. Although a favor move to the upside, I want to be better. It's really strange. That would be really strange. When it comes down here, I'd expect some lower prices. I was trying to squeeze now. You think it's going to squeeze, and then it just stalls again. No real momentum from either side. Some bulls coming in now. That's a better move above the VWAP. Can we get some continuation? Trying to move higher here. Delta's getting aggressive, but so far just getting absorbed. Keep going, bulls. Get some goddamn direction in this market, man. Look at these orders now spoofing. They're just moving orders. They're spoofers. They're definitely spoofers. Are they gonna? Do they really want to trade? I don't think so. They're spoofing the book like crazy. Just keep an eye on this. Look at that, the way they're moving the order. This is not a good sign for the bears at all. Yeah, they're moving it. They keep moving the orders. Oof. Wow. That was nasty. So now he's moved his order. He's got people shorting. And the order's taken off. And now they're going to run it to the upside. Was that his real intention? Let's see. Was his real intention to fill longs? Because that was a big candle to the downside. We haven't had one of these candles in a few minutes. Because the spoof is gone now. Heat map is really strange. Yeah, this is what the spoofers do, guys. Look at that. Spoofed everyone short, and now they're running it to the upside. Look at that. How dirty. This is what spoofers do, guys. He had no intention of filling shorts. Yeah, now it's monster. It's monster time. Look at that buyback now. Oof. Wow. Look at the NQ now. 685s on the cards here on NQ. Yes, also bouncing. This is probably going to move higher now. Oh, the new 30-minute candle as well. Perfect time to do it. It's likely going to happen. At least get above 670s into what do you say? 685s. ES is bouncing as well. Bulls are really stepping in here. Getting really aggressive. Ah, it is beautiful. Yes, also bouncing. Volatility is dropping. really choppy, really choppy morning so far. No clear direction. Maybe we get an inside day on the ES today. And we got a large enough sell-off yesterday on ES. 0.85%. So we might just stay in between previous day high and previous day low on the ES. NQ's already swept it, so yeah. I did long here, took it off. A lot of orders stacked above. Let's see the order book. All these shorts, really heavy on the short side. I'll be surprised the market doesn't go up there and take them. There's no real liquidity to the downside for the market to take. It's all stacked higher. Look, even above the high, we have liquidity. Doesn't mean it has to happen, but it's likely. The market trades higher for that liquidity. On ES. There's some spoofing going on again if you saw it. Yeah, he's moving orders again. I think somebody's trying to fill a large long order. Yeah, he's spoofing and I moved it. Spoofed the book and moved away. Yeah, I'd be really shocked if the ES doesn't go and sweep the 68 highs. I'd be really shocked by that. And keep trying to move higher here. ATR is 18, pretty low. VIX is starting to creep a little bit higher, but nothing to be concerned about. It's really low. And keep trying to squeeze. That spoofer's done shorts dirty again. He's definitely trying to fill some big large longs. Yeah, market wants that liquidity. It's heavily stacked on the offers. It's gonna definitely go on, not definitely, but most likely gonna go and take that order or take those orders. So all these orders that the fat side here are likely to get taken out. Yes, it's still weak. Really weak price action. No clear direction so far. I personally think the market wants higher. I'd love some A+ pivots to the downside, but I don't think you're going to get it. I don't think so. We might get them in the PM, maybe. Yeah, there you go. Clearing the book. Yep, bull's getting really aggressive, clearing the book. Yep, there you go. 685's on. Still a lot of shorts in the book there. Likely going to go up and test those 685s. It's getting really bullish now. I think it's going to take all those orders. Here come the 685s, 680s. Stalling at the 685s. Yes, moving higher. Really bullish delta. Really bullish delta coming in. Longs could get trapped here. Got to be careful. Got to be careful here. Oof, that was a nasty candle to the downside. You have some bulls trapped. You have some bulls trapped now. Here come the aggressive selling. NQ got stuck at the 685s. That's what I said. It's got to get above that level. Look at that. Exactly where it got stuck. Right at the LVN. We had heavy longs into it. And look at this selling now. Look at this selling. Oof. This is crazy selling. This is really crazy selling now. There's a potential for this price to start slamming now to the downside. Could get slammed here, the bulls. Oof. Heavy selling coming in. Perfect trap set at the 685s. This doesn't look too good for the bulls here. They're reloading the offers, you can see that in the book. It's not looking too good for the bulls here. they came back. Bulls trying to defend. Oof. Really aggressive buying. Maybe that's the liquidation they needed. Squeezing the hell out of these shorts now. It's just crazy. This is some crazy price action right now. Wow. What buyback that was. Can they get continuation? Can the market find any continuation to the upside here? Trying to pull back again. Nice volume injection came in, but still no real direction. Yeah, I'm going to give this market probably another 10 or 15 minutes. No real trades for us to take. It's not going to hit my pivots. Definitely not going to hit this pivot in the next, 20-30 minutes. So I'll give it another 10-15 minutes and then probably shut it down. At least we took one trade live, the sweep of that previous day low. did all right on that. So let's see what happens next. Market trying to rally. Let's see. Yes. Yep. There we go. Yes, it's going to go up there now. Finally. Or is it? Getting stuck again. It's just really horrible. So market's probably likely to have an inside day today, meaning it'll stay between these previous day highs and previous day lows, most likely. My assumption is traded for the well, yeah, I think that's probably what we're going to likely see. So not great trading conditions today. It's better to just wait until tomorrow and the day after to put more risk on the table, because right now it's not really worth this chop. Probably just grind its way higher now. Yes. Spike, come back down, and then just mess about probably for the rest of the day. Yeah, so this is probably where it's going to stall out if it gets above the high. There's a previous day value area high, 68.74. It's probably likely where it's going to go. Likely grind its way there. Yeah, something like that. Two minutes until the next hourly candle. See if we can get some volume coming in. Just want to see this play out. Yes, sweeps. Because that was my assumption. See if it comes true. We likely might get it in the next or the next 30-minute candle. Let's see. Minute left. Just got the hallmarks of a balanced day on the profile. A very balanced day. So the chance of this rallying from here is low. Probably just grind higher, sweep higher, come back, go the previous day value very high, stay in between. Okay, Here comes the new 30-minute candle. NQ slowly just creeping higher, clearing the book. Those orders that I was talking about, those orders are almost getting wiped from the book now. Clear the 685s on NQ. Go, yes, go. This could be the move. NQ trying to slowly clear the book and go for its daily highs as well. So it's catching up to ES as well. ES is lagging now, waiting for NQ to catch up. NQ has caught up now. NQ getting really bullish. Imagine NQ sweeps before ES, that would be funny. Yes, NQ's daily high is 729. ES is a lot closer. Here we go on ES. NQ clearing the book. Did he get, yeah, really getting those orders cleared now, the bulls. That spoofer really had intentions to fill large, long orders. He really did. Look at this now. This is a monster. The book is almost cleared. Look at this thing. The book is almost cleared now. Look at this. Let's watch ES for the sweep. Oh, it's not going to do it. Getting rejected again. For the 4th time. Alright guys. Nothing much to say. Very subdued price action again. Very choppy, subdued. Oh, Bitcoin is ripping. Oof, that's crazy. Wow. Any news? Not really. Altcoins are getting a really big bounce as well. Really nice on Bitcoin there. All right, but yeah, nothing really to write home about today. Very choppy price action. You can see that clearly on the charts. We caught one trade that might be the low of the day. I did say there is a chance this will be high likelihood this is the low of the day if we clear 685. We've cleared 685, so the chances of this being low of the day is high. Don't forget the fact that we have, let's see this, yeah, decent lows. We've got decent lows on TPO, so really no need for the market to come back and trade here. Really nice low actually. We cleared the liquidity under the previous day lows, so market really doesn't have any reason for it to come back and test these lows again. We're above key resistance, so yeah, that trade that we took in the morning, the reason I took it was because of the order flow. I seen a lot of longs coming in on the tape, and I took it. I was very confident in that. I said that live on the stream if you were here in the morning. So I took that, and that was it. That's the only trade that we took. We messed about in here on sim, but my bias, as you was watching, when we were around the VWAP and we were just consolidating, building up loads of shorts, and the price wasn't really moving down, my bias was to the upside, and that bias proved correct. Okay, so ES is now going, it's gonna sweep, guys. Yeah, it's gonna sweep it. So that bias was correct, but you know, that for me, I don't trade anything in the middle unless I'm just messing around on sim, but I don't trade anything in the middle like this. It's too choppy. I trade the edges, and that was the only trade of the day. If this didn't work, we were waiting for our A+ pivot from there. That was it, to be honest, guys. All right, this looks like an inside day pre FOMC, so this is probably just gonna chop for the rest of the day. All right, anyways, guys, thank you very much for tuning in today. I'm probably done for the day here today, guys. Probably won't be trading PM either, but if I get something really nice or something, you know, like a crazy sell-off or something, then I'll jump on the charts again. But until then, thank you very much for joining, and I will see you again tomorrow. Take care. Peace.